Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how we can create the sprints in Jira. So for that you need to come to the backlog section of your menu. Just come here and here at the right side you will see an option of create sprint. So when you click on this create sprint you will see a section is appeared here by name TRP sprint 2. So TRP is my key of the project and it's taking by default the name of sprint is 2 and it is taking a time duration. So in this way you can create the sprint. Now how you can edit the details here as you just go to these like these three dots at the corner, and here you will see an option of edit sprint. When you click on it, it will open a pop-up window. Here you can change the sprint name. Like for example, I'm just giving it as a registration sprint. So registration sprint, sorry. Then you get the option of duration. So here you can see a duration. In this one, you have five options: 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, and custom. So according to your requirement, you can choose the option. If you choose 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, accordingly it will. You have to select the start time, or else you have to go with the custom. So when you go with the custom, you have to choose the start time as well as the date time. So I'm just showing you that if I select 1 week, you can see if I select the date, if I select today's date, so automatically it is taking the next date, like the end date as 12th of May. So automatically it is taking 1 week of period. But if I select the custom option, so I can select the start date as well as I can select my end date. Like for example, I'm selecting it as 14th of May. After that, we have the option of giving the sprint goal. So whatever you are doing, if you are testing it, so you can write here, you are testing the registration module. So anybody can understand that what you are doing in this sprint. When I do that, here you can see the details are changed. Before that, it was TRP sprint 2. Now it changes to registration sprint. This is the time in which we have to complete the sprint, and this is the goal. Right now it says zero issues. So we have to add the issues here, or we can create the issues. So in this way, we can create the sprint in our backlog section.